Bluebird offers two models that are equipped with propane, the Vision and the Microbird G5. They both utilize the impressive 6.8-liter Ford engine, coupled with a state-of-the-art Roush CleanTech propane autogas system. Driving a propane-powered bus is very similar to a diesel-powered bus. However, there are a few key differences that you should always keep in mind. These buses have terrific throttle response. While the desire may be for rapid acceleration, in order to promote optimal fuel economy, it is important that you conservatively accelerate the bus. The manner in which the bus is driven has a very large impact on the fuel economy. This engine employs a one-touch integrated start system, or OTA system. The OTA system automatically controls a portion of the starting sequence. Therefore, the start sequence is different from all other Bluebird buses. The following sequence should always be utilized, regardless of any ambient temperatures, engine temperatures, and frequency of engine starts. First, engage the parking brake fully and place the transmission in neutral. Next, turn the ignition switch to the on position and pause for 5 seconds. Turn the key to the start position, then release to the on position and wait for the OTA system to finish the start sequence. The Wait to Start light illuminates, and a Start in Progress message will display on the dashboard message center. Depending on sequence timing, you may or may not see the indicators. The waiting period will vary from 2 to 45 seconds. Then the starter will automatically engage and start the engine. If the engine does not start after 60 seconds, turn the key off and repeat the previous steps. When driving Bluebird's state-of-the-art propane-powered buses, you'll notice these buses have quieter operation than a diesel engine. This helps the driver better hear the children they transport. At Bluebird, we value your business. To learn more about our propane-powered buses, contact your local Bluebird dealer.